say I'm just expressing to our audience that I am surprised by that. Just because of all the...
Surprised by what?
Well, just because of all the issues that it has. It has so many issues.
Okay, well, here, let me point something out for you. Tractor trailers in today's market are right at $200,000. And for you to go out and spend less than $20,000 on a truck and it not have some kind of issues, you're living in dreamland.
Okay. But you're used to working on trucks anyway. I mean, it's not like you don't know how to fix them. So, yeah, you're used to all of that. It's what you do. You know how to fix problems with trucks. So,
Well, if I don't, then I'll learn.